Hey team, welcome to Inkjecta. My name is RJ and today we're taking a look at our interchangeable stroke and give system. Interchangeable cams and bars are at the core of all of Inkjecta's machines. These parts allow you to quickly and easily change the feel and function of your machine to suit your style and technique. Our cams come in 5 sizes, at 2.5, 3, 3.25, 3.5 and 4 millimeters. These cams are compatible with our Flight Pan, Nano and X1 ranges. Different sizes will feel right for different artists, but as a general rule, smaller stroke lengths are better for softer, smoother shading work, and larger stroke lengths are going to be better for line work and packing color. There are absolutely exceptions to the rule here, and ultimately the right stroke length for you will come down to your preference, technique and style. Switching out your cam is as simple as loosening a grub screw. We'll link to a short video with instructions below. We offer a wide range of different give bars to pair with the different stroke cams. These include our soft, medium and hard torsion bars, as well as our semi-rigid bar, carbon bar and stainless steel bar. The stainless, carbon and semi-rigid bars are all one setting, install and go options for harder hitting work. The soft, medium and hard torsion bars all have simple adjustability available to perfect their give. Switching out and adjusting your give bar is very simple. We'll link to another video for that below too. If you have different cam and bar setups you use frequently, you can keep those connected together when not in use and then reinstall them together when needed. One of the main questions we get asked is what configuration should be used for different effects and techniques. This is a very subjective topic, but we're going to give you a few ideas here to at least help you out with some starting points. Please understand that these are not hard rules. These are just setups that we've seen used a lot over time. You might find a setup that differs from these that works better for you. There are plenty of people out there who are running completely different setups, and at the end of the day, it's all about finding what works for you. For lining, a larger cam and harder bar is going to be the best place to start. The semi-rigid, carbon and steel bars are good options, and the 4mm cam is a go-to for a lot of artists. Voltage settings will vary, but the higher range from 12 volts and up is a good starting point. We see a lot of people pulling lines at anywhere up to 16, 17 volts with minimal trauma and great results. But starting around that 12 volt mark and moving up from there is the safest bet. For color packing, you'll generally be looking at a step down from what you use for lining. A cam in the 3.25 to 3.5mm range and bars in the medium to hard range will be good starting points. Voltage ranges for color packing start at around 10 volts and run up to 13 or 14 volts. Again, starting on the low end and working your way up will be your best bet. Shading is another step down again, with 2.5, 3 and 3.25mm cams being the range to be in while being paired with our soft, medium or hard torsion bars. Voltage range will be on the lower end of things, with 7 volts through to roughly 11 volts being a good range to start in. As always, start low and go up from there. And that's a rundown of how our interchangeable stroke and give system works. Every setting imaginable is possible, and switching between them is simple and fast. For more information on these accessories, as well as our machines and other products, check out our other videos and visit Inkjecta.com. Until next time, have a good one.